on, be what I needed, baby. I didn't think it was this way. Oh, he's taking a picture of me.
I'm recording.
No, take a picture.
Record.
Yes! This is the one I want. I didn't think Cindy was going to get this.
Here we go.
Oh, I got to give her a call. Look at this shit. Dude, I thought she was going to get me to play and go, but this is even, oh my God. All right, this is
Here you go, Nate.
awesome. Oh, I got another gift. Oh, shit. Is it Tim's? Hold it. Come on, baby. Oh, what the? This is like mad layers. Oh, you're wasting paper, Maria.
You gotta show me the gift. What is the gift, Nate? What is the gift? An Xbox One. Tears. Tears of joy.
I'm not crying. I'm tears in my eye. I gotta beat you, Maria. That's why you're drinking us poor. But I love it. Oh, don't look at me either. Chris, turn the camera off, man. I can't open the other disc.
There's no more gifts. That's it. That's it.
All right, turn it off.
That's the Pitty Booby and Cam Cam.
Say you love your wife.
That's the Pitty Booby and Cam Cam.
It's okay. It's okay. Cindy's gift is better, but it's okay.
Yeah, Nate.
Chris, put the camera down. I love this one.
All right.
All right, we
There
got
you
one more gift. Where's Kayla's?
go. Xbox One. He's happy. He got what he wanted.
Kayla ruined